it's finally happening, December 29th. I'm waiting, I think since beginning of July, I think so, when Björn Nyland released his video. So finally today I get to drive the Hyundai Kona electric like it's supposed to be driven, not for an hour or 45 minutes. I will have the car for 3.5 days, 92 hours. I'm amazingly excited. I love the car, I want the car, I'm not getting the car. You can watch other videos to know why. I would love to test everything there is. There are a few things I cannot do because I'm restricted to only 400 kilometers, so I'm getting the car from a dealership. And it's very nice that they give me the car because the car is already sold and someone is waiting for the car, but they're using this car as a test drive car for other people to test it out and then maybe buy it. And so I'm one of the people who's lucky enough to be able to drive it, and for 3.5 days that's just amazing. I can test so many things. I want to show you so many things. I have over 30 videos planned. But like I said, I cannot do long distance driving. I wanted to go to Prague and back, but that's not gonna happen. I wanted to go to Ionity fast charger, 350 kilowatt, but that's not gonna happen. It's too far away. I won't be able to charge it even fully because I doubt that I will drive that much. So yeah, but I can do a lot of things and I will do that, so keep waiting for that. It will be awesome. Oh god, I'm so happy and so excited. I read the manual again yesterday. I'm a crazy person. I just like that car. It's a big thing, and you will all find out why when I show you all the details about the car. Thank you. There, it's possible I have to wait, but they have a charging station back there. In red, look at that. There we are. That looks good. Not that bad, that red. So let's get the keys. Get in there, and here we have it. Okay, so now we're here in the car. Great car, great feeling. I'm very excited. Seat heat on. I want it warm. I'm a frozen one. Okay, let's do tests. Thank you very much for watching. Be prepared for a lot of videos with this car. I'm so excited to drive it now and do all the tests that I thought of and see how it behaves and everything. Thank you very much. Bye.